Abby and I have been having a blast with the XMAXX. I mean, it's no secret. You know, we have just been out all week long doing speed tests and bashing. And here we are today at the Lavalette TCRC. Very awesome track that they have built up that we have just neglected on the channel for a while to bash some more with the 5th scale XMAXX. So here we are in Lavalette, West Virginia to have some crazy fun with this. We wanted to, you know, hit some ramps and get some air on a legit racetrack. A lot of you guys watching our channel have probably never even seen this track before because a lot of you are new. So if you want to check it out in more detail, maybe it's close to where you live, we'll have it linked. Their Facebook page will have linked in the description box below. It's important to note that we did get permission to come and drive our giant 5th scale monster truck on their track.
Yeah, they said, well, it's the end of the season, so it's okay if the track gets tore up.
Right, we'll probably tear it up a little bit, but they're fully okay with that. They 100% gave us the go-ahead to do that. So Abby and I are gonna just take turns. She got to bash this 100% in the first bashing video, and I didn't even get to touch it. So I think
I'm sorry.
At least get to start off here, and we're gonna have a blast. Now, before we power this on, again, a giant thank you to our Patreon supporters, whether you're a $1 supporter or our top tier supporters. We could not do this video without you guys. And to power this truck, we want to thank rcjuice.com, Hobby Star batteries. They have been holding up extremely well so far. Super high performance, loving these things. Their website will be linked in the description box below. Guys, if you want to support us, you enjoy our free content that we bring to you, please consider supporting us through one of the links in the description box. And without further ado, let's go have some fun. Well, this ought to be fun. I'm actually really excited because I didn't get to bash the XMAXX. I've only gotten to drive it on asphalt. Woo! Also, I'm very unfamiliar with this track, so I'm going to kind of boogie around slow-ish.
Whoa!
Whoa, yeah, baby! Oh, through the water. That was awesome. Oh, okay, I need to get a little closer. First I thought maybe I was taking the track in reverse, but no, I think we're actually taking it the right way. I just gotta... The nice thing about the XMAXX is you can totally see it no matter where it is. Again, this track too, I think it's designed for mainly 10th scale racing.
And it's off season.
Oh yeah, I don't think my camera's waterproof. That was a nice ramp, wasn't it? Yeah. That's one full time around the track. Maybe just let me go around like one more time and then you give it a shot. This is fun, Abby. As much as we have bad stuff to say about, you know, Traxxas, I like the XMAXX. Oh, I did not clear that one. I should have hit a little more speed. Oh!
Hey!
Well, I'm still on 4 wheels, so I'll finish out the course and then see if you can do a little better. I think I did better on my first run. I like hitting this water. It's fun. I know that. I'm sorry, TCRC. I know we're tearing up your track some.
They said it was okay.
They did, I know. And there we go.
My turn.
I'll get it parked right here in front of us. How about that? This is fun. The X-Maxx is a really, really fun truck. There's no denying that. Well, I don't think it's that cold, but Abby does.
If that's a shaky video, I'm very sorry.
Let's see what you got. I'm just gonna stand here by you and see what you think about running the course. Oh, Abby! Oh my gosh, I think I win. Flip back over. I told Abby she has to redeem herself. That was just really, really bad. So let's see if she can clear that the right way. Oh, come on. How pathetic. How pathetic. What's wrong with you? This is the X-Maxx, not paper mache truck 2.0. Oh my gosh. This is a little bit of finesse would be appreciated here today. Come on.
Leave me alone. I'm having fun and that's all that matters.
Now, to those of you that are tuning in for the first time, if you're still hanging out with us, just know that we are a husband-wife team on our YouTube channel here, and we just love the hobby. We've been sharing this hobby together for
Why am I so bad?
For how long now? 7 or 8 years? Come on, you are.
Don't say how long, because this is really bad.
Go, 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 girl. You're making yourself look really bad, really, really bad.
I've never said I'm a racer.
No, but still, you're the queen of ground vehicles. Took a day off, apparently.
I am just a basher. I don't race.
Yeah, this is very true.
No pattern.
Luckily, this truck is tough and it's holding up really well. Oh!
Come on.
Oh!
I can't believe the camera hasn't flew off.
I know. A little bit of Velcro holding that on. Well, I want to go around it again here. This is your last time for sure. Let us know in the comments, you guys, who's driving this thing better.
I think we know.
I think it's blatantly obvious. Wow.
I drive with more fun.
Yeah, that is cool on the splashing of the water. I'm really liking the X-Maxx. It's a fun vehicle. Oh yeah. You did your 2 laps, which was just pathetically slow and embarrassing. Yeah, that's my turn. On that note, it is my turn. Okay, I'm not saying I'm gonna smoke you here or anything.
Yeah, you have a lot of talk to live up to.
That was
yeah,
perfect.
You're way better than me.
I'm getting better air control, Abby, ever since I've been flying the jets and stuff. Oh, no, I shouldn't have hit a thing. Bad timing.
On the side. Walk of shame. I can't believe how much smack Nate was talking about me. So mean. Go faster, Nate, come on!
Hey, I'm trying to go back to you.
I'm just dishing it like you did.
Well, guys, I think on that note, Abby and I are gonna get back in the car and go duke it out with each other. I'm just joking. This thing is a blast. I like the X-Maxx. Having said that, you are in for a sweet treat.
Tomorrow!
Starting tomorrow and the rest of the week.
In the morning.
Really big plans. So make sure you hit the notification bell. You do not want to miss what we release next.
I think it's 10 a.m. Eastern is when you're going to see it.
Something like that.
Yeah, tomorrow, 10 a.m. Eastern, the 21st, November. Yeah, just be ready. Check your bell now.
Yes.
Make sure it's on.
Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye! Go, 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 go! Guys! Yeah!